Welcome back, everybody, to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and this is Margie, and today I'm going to be making another batch using this cranberry relish from Nature's Garden. And a couple days ago when I made it, for the green I used the alpine green from Nurture Soap, and the red I used the Queen Catherine from TKB, and I forgot if it was the Sahara Gold or what. So today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. So these, like I keep mentioning, gang, these are the very generous 5 grams of the sample micas that are part of that 117 mica sample package. And these are so nice, so because you don't have to buy a whole bunch with the 1 pound, or what, not 1 pound, 1 ounce, and so you could just give these a try. So this is my red obsession, which I think I kind of prefer for the Christmas, because it's just a little bit, let's see, is that even gonna, I don't know why my cell phone is not wanting to focus lately. And then this is the emerald green. I'm not quite sure how that's going to look with the red, but I like to just kind of give things a little go. And here is the gold dust, and I got to open up this because it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that just so pretty? So that's that. And then I made a whole bunch of these embeds. And so for the other batch, let me see if I can do this without spilling everything. You probably can't quite tell in this bad lighting, but these lighter ones were colored with the Queen Catherine. And then I thought that I would try this other one. It's called the Anastasia. And it's, let me see, is it gonna focus? Oh, so it's just a little bit darker, and so I'm really liking that. So I think I will put that on top. So, okay, so let's give the oils here a quick temp. Okay, that's almost 83. And the lye. Oh, let's see, that's just a hair above 78, 79. Alrighty. Okay, gang. So without further ado, let's get having some fun.